Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G22 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but basically no worries, it will work the same or kind of the same in other browsers. So I really think that you will be able to recreate this operation in your browser. So in the Google Chrome, we have to enter the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And if you want to, you can remove them here in this section manually, one by one, just by tapping on this X button right next to it. As you can see, they will disappear. However, if in your case this list is long, I highly recommend to do it automatically just by tapping on the clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to, you can change the time range, of course, from last hour to last 7 days or even all time. And if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything and simply tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed basically everything, at least in my case. Alright, so basically, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.